Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pokeball. So before we get started, I'm going to remind you folks to feel free to like and comment and subscribe, all that good stuff, because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so to draw our Pokeball, I'm going to start sketching a circle. So I'm going to do this with pencil instead of going straight in with a black marker because I want to make sure I make a real nice circle. But of course it doesn't have to be perfect, and if you want you could even just find something that is a circle shape and like trace around that circle shape, like maybe like the bottom of a cup or like the inside of a tape loop or something like that. Alright, but I think I like my circle here. So I'm going to take my black marker and sketch over my pencil lines. Also, please feel free to let me know in the comments if you like Pokemon. Are you a fan of Pokemon? And if so, who is your favorite Pokemon? Alright, so I got my little circle done. So now I'm going to take a eraser and get rid of my pencil marks. We don't need to have them there. Alright, so actually I'm going to keep going with the pencil for a little while longer. I'm going to do our little inside circle. And then there's another circle outside of that one. And then we've got almost like a whole other circle outside of that one, but it's not a full circle. This one is just the top and the bottom, and then we've got lines. So go here, but give it a curve. Same over here, curve it. Okay. So if you want, you can kind of put in those imaginary lines. Okay, so I'm going to take my black marker again and sketch over those spots. So circle here, circle here, and then on the top, and we connect it here. Give that line a curve, because this spot here is where the Pokeball opens and closes. Okay. So now I'm going to take my eraser again and say goodbye to those pencil lines. So there's all different kinds of Pokeballs. There's so many different kinds of Pokeballs. But right now, here today, we're going to be working on the classic, regular, normal Pokeball. It's going to be red up top, white on the bottom. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take my red and I'm going to leave a circle here, a nice circle up top. That's going to be like where the light is hitting the Pokeball. So it's going to be kind of like a nice bit of shine. So I'm going to sketch that out in this red marker, like that, and then I'm going to color the rest in. But make sure you do your best that you don't accidentally color this in. So I like this red color. This is an Artist Loft marker. You can get them at Michael's. But of course you can use any kind of marker. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm using. And it doesn't even have to be a marker. You can use crayons, leads, whatever. Maybe you're painting. It's all up to you. But I think this is a really pretty red, and it's a really good Pokeball red. So it's great for today. But in case you're wondering, it is R12 Poppy Red. All right. And we are done with our red. I'm gonna clue up a little bit here on the side, make that a little bit smoother. Okay. And now I'm going to take a gray. This, in case you're wondering, this is a Copic sketch marker and it's a C5. It's a cool gray. And I'm going to start right here and draw a curved line. So again, we're working with our shadows here. Like that. I'm going to color this in. But I'm leaving the rest all white. So there's not many colors that you need for doing a classic normal Pokeball. Really just a red and a gray if you want to use some shading. Okay, and then I'm going to take a black and color in this part. Now, don't color in the middle part. Color in this almost like a strap. All right, so we are done our Pokeball. Let me know in the comments below, folks, how you think our Pokeball turned out today. And please let me know what you would like to see drawn for the next Daily Doodle. All right, so I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, bye, have a good day.